Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Update Study Practice Channel. IBPS PO Prelims Memory Based Question 2020 is our discussion topic. Already we saw 9 sums. Today we are going to discuss about 10th sum. In a mixture of milk and water, the proportion of milk by weight is 60%. If from the 80 gram of mixture, 20 gram of mixture is taken out and 6 gram of pure water is added to the mixture, then find the ratio of milk and water in the new mixture. This is the question and they given 5 options. Come on, let's start with given clues. What are they given? In a mixture of milk and water, the proportion of milk by weight is 60%. So, proportion of milk is 60%. Here the proportion of milk is 60% they are given. So, similarly, what will be the proportion of water? Milk is 60%, then the proportion of water must be, yes, 40%. Proportion of water must be 40%. Am I right? From the proportion of milk, we found proportion of water 40%. Then, if from the 80 gram of mixture, 20 gram mixture is taken out. So, total, that means milk plus water, 80 gram. Milk plus water mixture 80 gram. 20 gram was taken out. 20 gram was taken out. Taken out mixture 20 gram. So total mixture is 80 gram and taken out mixture is 20 gram. What we have to do? We have to subtract. Yes. 80 minus 20, 60 gram. And 6 gram. And 6 gram of water is added to the mixture. After removing 20 gram, they will add 6 gram of water to mixture. Now find the ratio between milk and water is what? So from the given question we have taken and write proportion of milk is 60%. Automatically 100 minus 60, 40 is the proportion of water. So total mixture of water and milk is 80 gram. And then 20 gram of mixture is taken out from 80 gram. So I subtract 80 minus 20 is 60. And 6 gram of pure water is added to the mixture. Add 6 gram of water to mixture. Then find the ratio between the milk and water of new mixture. Okay, these are the given things. Now, from the given one, we are going to find the ratio between milk and water. We already know proportion of milk is 60 and proportion of water is 40%. So 60 by 100 is 40 by 100. 100 cancel, 0 cancel, which is 6:4 now equal to 3:6. This is the ratio between milk and water, 3:6. Okay. Now 80 gram of mixture, 20 gram of mixture is taken out. So 80 gram mixture, 20 gram mixture is taken out. We will get 60 gram. Using this 60 gram, the new mixture is taken out mixture from total mixture is 60 gram. So take this 60 gram. So 60. What's the milk ratio in 60 gram? The total mixture after taken out 20 gram. So 60 into 3, milk ratio is 3, milk plus water ratio is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So divide this 12. 36. This is the milk ratio. Can I get this, guys? Milk ratio. Now water. Water is 2. 60 into 2. 2 by 5. Again 12. 24. So now milk and water ratio is 36:24. After taken out 20 gram, 60 gram will come from in this 60 gram. In this 60 gram, we have found the new ratio. What's the 60 gram ratio? 60 into 3 by 5 and 60 into 2 by 5. So if you add this 36 plus 24, we will get again this 60 gram. Can you clear about this, guys? Now, the next one is add 6 gram of water to mixture. So milk is 36, water is 24. So add 6 gram of water. Then the milk and water ratio will become 36:24 plus this 6 gram. Plus this 6 gram gives 36:30. Am I right, guys? Now, what's the ratio between new milk and water mixture? So now the milk and water mixture is 36:30. Divide this by 6, common number 6. 6 are 36, 6 5s are 30. Now the new mixture between milk and water is 6:5. This is the answer. 6:5. Option B is the answer. Can you clear about this, guys? In short, again I am explaining you. In a mixture of milk and water, milk weight is 60%. So, proportion of milk is 60%. Automatically, the proportion of water will what? 100 minus 60 gives 40%. 40%. Water is 40%. From the mixture 80 gram, 20 gram of mixture is taken out. So total mixture is 80 gram, taken out mixture is 20 gram. Now the new mixture, total mixture is 80 minus 20 is 60 gram. And then add 6 gram of water to the mixture. Then find the ratio of milk and water. So add 6 gram of water to mixture. Then find the ratio between milk and water. Okay. Now we know the 60 gram total mixture. So to make the ratio between milk and water, just 60 divided by 100 is 40 divided by 100. Because it's in percentage now, so get 100 get cancelled. 0 0 3 2. The new ratio, the proportion of milk and water is 3:2. From the new ratio, total mixture, we got new ratio na 60, total mixture ratio. So 60 plus this mixture ratio 3, for milk 3 and the total mixture is 5. So multiply and divide, we will get 36 for milk, and for water 60, again the 60 gram. 2 divided by 5, 24. So we have obtained milk and water ratio of 60 gram is 36 is to 24. Now to know that whether the 60 gram present inside the water and milk is, just add this 36 and 24, we will automatically get 60 gram. Now add 6 gram of water. After obtaining the taken out mixture of milk and water, add 6 gram of water to water. So 36, add 6 gram of water, 24 plus 6. This is water, no? So water is added to again water. 36 is to 30. Now take the ratio. The common number is 6. Divide by 6. 6 into 6 are 36. 6 into 5 is 30. So the new ratio of milk and water is 6 is to 5. Option B is the correct answer. Okay guys, here I conclude. If you have any doubt, please comment it. And if you like it, please give thumbs up and share and subscribe my channel, and also refer to your friends. Tomorrow we will see with 11th sum. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Bye.